Nandun na ako. Hi, good evening. This is again Al, and thank you for those who viewed my first video. I really appreciate it. Now, going straight forward to a topic that's close to my heart. Um, as you saw in the title, it's "The Silent Tears Are Your Loudest Cry for Help." Di ba parang every one of us have that. Meron tayong mga moments na we keep things bottled up inside us. And we don't know how to tell anyone exactly how we're feeling, the the loneliness, the despair, the frustration, the fear, all these bottled up emotions that we have. But the truth is, um, subconsciously, we're crying out for help. Even if hindi natin nasasabi sa ibang tao yung nararamdaman natin. That's when we are most vulnerable. Pero ako, in my experience, I have learned the value of family. I have learned the value of praying. It may sound distant or weird for some, but the truth is, at my age, those are the things that babalik ka doon sa core values mo eh. The love and the support of your family. And at one point in your life, you would learn how to sincerely pray to your higher power, to the God that you believed in. Kasi it's so important that you swing all your experiences back to faith. Kasi as long as there are things that are unexplained in this world, I want to believe that miracles, God, and faith are intertwined in our lives kahit takbuhan man natin siya. And it happens in the most desperate moment of our life. Diba? I'm sure na-experience nyo yun. I don't know how to describe it, but alam mo yung when you're crying inside and you're having sleepless nights for whatever reasons, na ikaw lang ang nakakaalam. Trust me when I say this, I don't know if it will work for you, but sa akin, a sincere prayer talaga. Talk to God like He's a friend. Talk to God as if you can feel Him. And it will make a whole lot of difference. Because ako before, I used to pray too, but all my prayers are, it's not even give and take. It's just about me, my woes, my wants, my wishes. And then I put Him on the side. But pag nag-pray ka pala with complete surrender, there's a certain serenity and peace that you would feel. So, when it happens to you, when you feel like, for example, that your family is not available, but of course, I also from experience knew that come what may, your family will stand by you. And and if hindi niyo pa rin kayang sabihin sa kanila, look up silently, look for a quiet place, and then pour your heart out and talk to him like a friend because he's one of the best friends that you can trust in this world. Anyways, that's all I can tell you. Hope this we could expound on it sooner. If you can relate to that, if you liked it, please like and subscribe and continue viewing my videos. As my tattoo is written Desiderata, and we will continue discussing this in the future. Anyways, thank you, and I hope to see more of you. Bye.